Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video, you will learn how you can easily add your own music or sound or audio to TikTok, and I will show you step-by-step process how to do that. So first, when you go to TikTok, discover or home, and you want to click plus, and you want to upload, I got a socks to upload, and I'm going to choose my own Buddha here I'm going to click next. As you can see, you can click sounds, and then you can add, TikTok viral, whatever. But what if you want to add your own stuff? This is really important, or your even own music and voice. How to do that? So first, what you want to do is to leave TikTok, quit, go to Google Play, or you have iPhone, Apple, to Apple Store, right here to your search, InShot. When you have it, download it. And I'm going to show you how you can easily do that. So open. Okay, and we are here. And now what you want to do, when you are in InShot, click on a video. Upload your video you recorded for TikTok. So this one. When you have it, you can see it right here. You can also edit it here if you want. But what we are going to do now is we are going to click on music. And when you're going to click on music, you have three options here. The first thing is to add a track. If you have your own music here, you can add it. Right? You can add whatever you want. Or feature. It's also up to you. And now when you go with the effects, you can also add your effects, like transitions, or this one, or this one. Yep. So this is what you can do, and instruments, etc. Also, you can record your own music, record your own voice if you want. So if you would like to add. Because many people who wants to make TikTok videos, they want to add their voice. So you want to do this. Record. You're gonna press record. It will record a voice. I can't do that right now, only because I'm recording my phone. And now what you want to do is when you're gonna click on your video here, you can decrease the volume. So when you're gonna make your own voice, your own audio, you can easily record it and you can hear it well. But let's say that we are going to add a track. My music, I got Over the Horizon here. It's from Samsung and it's really bad, but for the showing purposes, it's really great. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to decrease the volume to like 9. Now I'm going to edit it. No, I want to edit. Let's make it really short, like 17 seconds. Like that. And now I want to put it here on the beginning. So we have it. Now when I'm going to click on it, you can gonna click on edit. You can fade out and fade in. And when you have it, it's perfect. Now, when you have the track, you have effects, you can record your own voice. Let's find it, and you can then gonna click save. Save. You can press 1080p. Okay. Now we're gonna wait on converting the video. And that's kind of how we got it. Then what you want to do is to upload the video on TikTok. And when you upload the TikTok, you will have your music or your audio there. So this is how we do it. And yep, thank you very much everybody. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, you can support me and subscribe. I'll be really thankful for that. And yep, see you in the next video. Goodbye everybody. Have a great day. And write me in the comments if you have any other questions about TikTok, and I will try to help you with that. Goodbye.